Netflix is now worth more than $100 billion, Uber Eats acquires Ando, and Rupert Murdoch wants Facebook to pay for the news. It's Monday, January 22nd, and this is Crunch Report. What is up, TechCrunch land? Hope you all had a good weekend. Mine was pretty nice. All right, here's the news. Netflix crossed a fun milestone today, crossing the $100 billion mark for its market cap as it once again surprised industry observers with better than expected growth in its subscribers. The company said it added more than 8 million new subscribers in the fourth quarter of last year. Netflix's revenue was $3.29 billion compared to $3.28 billion estimates from Wall Street, and its earnings were at 41 cents per share, in line with estimates from Wall Street. Ando, the delivery-only restaurant founded by Momofuku chef David Chang, announced today that it has been acquired by Uber Eats. The move comes at a time of growth for Uber in the food delivery category. We'll be the largest food delivery company in the world this year, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, I'm so bad at that last name, said today at DLD in Munich. According to the notice on Ando's homepage, the company is shutting down its service, live only in New York, effective immediately as it begins to integrate with Uber Eats. Rupert Murdoch, the executive chairman of News Corp, today issued a statement calling for Facebook and Google to subsidize the news traveling through their platforms. In the statement, Murdoch calls on Facebook to pay a carriage fee, as cable companies do with pay TV, to trusted publishers that are posting their content on the social media platform. In a statement, he said, "I have yet to see a proposal that truly recognizes the investment in and the social value of professional journalism. The time has come to consider a different route. If Facebook wants to recognize trusted publishers, then it should pay those publishers a carriage fee similar to the model adopted by cable companies." That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging Crunch Boards every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. You can also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right, see you tomorrow.